Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to pull the dash out of an FC Mazda Rx7. Now these cars are notorious for having dashes sort of crack, plastics disintegrate, as with any car of its age, but particularly these Mazdas just seem to fall apart over the years. So it's a bit of an undertaking, but when I was researching and sort of looking how to do it, there wasn't a whole lot of information, especially tutorials. There's one guy who was super helpful, but his car's a race car, so a lot of it's already been dismantled. My cars are both pretty much standard. This car in particular is 100% factory and hasn't been touched yet. So I thought I'd make this video specifically for people who are looking to pull the dash out of an FC Rx7. And any of the weird things I run into, hopefully it'll help you when you're working it out, doing it yourself. Though this is what we're working with this car. As you can see, it's lifted above the cluster there, and it's sort of cracked around the idiot cluster. You know, it's seen some sun, so I'm guessing this car is going to be super brittle. What we need some sandwich bags so that we can chuck our bolts and whatever and screws and stuff and label it. A Sharpie to label the bags, some water if it's really hot, and a whole lot of patience, because it does get kind of frustrating. folks, there you have it. That is how you take a dashboard out of an FC Rx7. Now, I don't know if there's an easier way to have done what I did. It's just me doing it. So pulling it out was a little bit, it was actually pretty easy compared to the other FC. So I don't know what's going on with the other one. But as far as I can tell, that's the least intrusive way to remove it from the car. But I'm gonna call that the end of this video. That is how to pull a dash out of an FC Rx7. If you have any questions about it, please hit me in the comments. I'll try and get back to you. Let me know if that helped. I'm sure there's gonna be someone out there pulling these out or swapping them over or something like that. So this is the best I could do. Cheers guys, thanks for watching. Peace.